This is the train table. It's our favorite thing to play with now. My brother Jack got it for his birthday. You probably have seen him. Yeah.
For
Christmas. Whatever. Who cares? Now we'll show you around. This is Rocky. This is the bridge that my sister built. It's really cool. And the train and the helicopter lands on an H. It's really cool because helicopter starts with an H. Oh, and I'll show you the plane. It's right there.
Don't forget to show the crane.
The train, my brother, he's right there. And that's the train. Oh no. And my favorite thing is the boat. It's really cool because it has that and that.
Mine is this one.
Yeah, he likes a lot of trucks. Oh, and there's this little tunnel where you can go through.
Yeah, it's so dope in there.
See?
And there's an airplane.
Yeah.
And a railroad for the airplane.
Oh yeah, I didn't show you. And then over here, there's the parking lot. And my other favorite thing is the basketball hoop.
And
I wish it came with a basketball though. Yeah. That would be so cool.
Yeah, I was too.
Oh, and my dad built that. It was so hard to build.
Yeah, it was like a double cottage bridge.
Yeah, it's a double bridge. And it has train tracks under it. Right there. Let's see if he's going on the top or the bottom. Guess if he's going on the top or the bottom, okay? He's going on the top? Backwards!
Beep, beep,
Oh
beep.
no!